This is what happened to my soursop tree. It cannot take the cold weather. It was windy and raining at the same time and cold. I don't think it's dying, but it don't look right. Sorry. Over there, these are my cassava plants for next year. They look okay. And back in this one, they can take the weather back. I mean, they can take it. That's a sugar apple. The sugar apple tree. They take it. They look okay. Come back in here. Mangoes are doing well. Another soursop. See? They burn out. But they'll come back. Bananas burn out. Will come back. I guess those are the plants that just can't take cold weather. These are taro or taro. Not doing too bad. Yeah. Not doing too bad. These are organic plants because I don't use fertilizer. I use vegetables, fruits, and other things to make them grow healthy. See, these taro, they've been there for like a year. By next March, April, by May, June, I'm going to harvest them. See, over here, we have soursop plants that burn out. These are passion fruit, you can see. Passion fruit. They made it. It's jackfruit. Not too happy. Jackfruit. Another soursop. See? It's all burned out. But hopefully it come back. I don't know. The papaya made it. So those that burn out, I mean, they can't take the winter. They can't. And here, this is also a jackfruit. See? Can't take it. Soursop can't take the cold. But the taro, they're happy. Look over here. They're all happy. And avocado, no damage. See, I have more young avocado coming up. I have a lot. See? No damage. All these. See how big this taro getting? Right now. No damage. So they do well with the cold. So let's go outside. And look, the moringa, no damage, it's doing okay. And these are passion fruit. Passion fruits, they're doing okay. This thing go all the way up to that cant tree over there and the mango tree. See? Let's go outside. Lima beans. made it. You're not afraid of the cold. Let's go back in here. That plant is very important for people who know what it what it is. During that pandemic, everybody was asking for it, and I gave it for free. But it killed that virus this year. It killed the virus. Under here, see my banana tree plant. It burned out. Can't take the winter. Taro doing well. I call it taro. Over here, aloe's doing okay. Over here, bananas are doing well. They all burn out. Avocados are doing okay. Taro's doing okay. Pineapple is doing okay. Aloe is doing okay. All the taro are doing okay. But when it comes to this is soursop. They burn out. See the difference? The avocado is okay. They don't burn. Ginger is doing okay. All ginger is doing okay. Ginger is okay. Pineapple is okay. Oregano is doing bad. Oregano cannot take it. They burn out. And it's sad, that's what I used to cook with. Over here, you can see gingers. Ginger's doing okay over here. They don't burn out. The banana plant, they burn out. Hopefully it'll come back soon. But since winter just started, I don't know how far it will make it. Yeah. I still have some oregano. That's look decent. Over here, I have ginger. I have pepper coming up. And I have spinach, some spinach. Those tiny ones are spinach. You can see the tiny one. Spinach coming up. This is what they look like, but somebody keep picking them up every week. I don't know who. That's them there also. You can use them for stew or anything you want to do. So my ginger, very healthy. Okay. This thing, I don't know the name of it in English, but during the pandemic, that's what people take for it. They will kill it. If you have it, this is what you need to use to kill it. I don't want to say the name but I don't know. But sometimes you can't say, but people know. Back inside. Back inside. These things only a year old. These are my oregano. Pineapple down here. Okay. We going back inside. So you can see the one that I show you that burn out. That means you can't not plant them. Or I mean, when it's winter time, you have to take them inside. But like the one that stay green, they can fight the winter. You can see all the taro doing very well over here. So those that can stay outside. It wasn't that cold, but I believe it was like in the 40s, something like that. For Miami, that's cold. And then for like New York or the States, that's nothing. And again, that there is my soursop tree. It's all messed up. Look. See all the leaves are falling? Look. See, they're all falling. They're dried up. Yeah, it's part of life. All the trees. And over there, let's what do you call it again? What? That's starfruit. It made it. My mango back there has made it. Well, anyway. And this is loquat. See loquat? We have fruits in. And my cotton. Cotton. It damaged a little bit, but there's a lot of cotton on it that's already ready to pick up. My cannep, mangoes, bananas. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them over here. Well, anyway, thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day.